Hello, lovely souls. Welcome back to Blissful Loop, your source of daily positivity and inspiration. I'm Megan, and today we're delving into mindfulness exercises for beginners. Before we embark on this mindful journey, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell to join our mindful community. Let's cultivate presence and serenity together. Mindfulness is a beautiful practice that brings us into the present moment. Whether you're new to mindfulness or revisiting the basics, find a comfortable space and let's explore these beginner-friendly exercises. Exercise 1, mindful breathing. As we begin, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply. Feel the air fill your lungs and exhale slowly. Let each breath anchor you in the present moment. Practice this for a few moments, allowing your mind to settle. Exercise 2, body scan meditation. Shift your attention to your body. Starting from your toes, bring awareness to each part. Notice any sensations without judgment. Gradually move upward, scanning and relaxing each area. Exercise 3, mindful observation. Engage your senses by observing your surroundings. Notice colors, textures, and sounds. Let your attention rest on each element, appreciating the richness of the present moment. Share in the comments below which mindfulness exercise resonated with you the most. Let's build a mindful community right here in our Blissful Loop family. As we conclude our mindfulness exercises, carry this sense of presence with you. If you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more mindful content. This is Megan from Blissful Loop, signing off. May your days be filled with mindful moments and serene awareness. Until next time.